mentioned resources for border security. In yesterday's Supreme Court ruling on the Alien Enemies Act, the justices unanimously reaffirmed migrants' rights to a hearing before removal. Should Congress allocate additional funding to the judiciary to address a possible backlog of cases and to ensure potential deportees get due process?
Well, due process is an important principle, and of course we support that, and we have to give Customs and Border Patrol agents and everybody involved in the process the resources they need to get the job done. It does require additional resources because we have so many people to process because the last administration opened the border wide, and it's a serious crisis. And I think that was top of mind for most of the people who voted in this last election. We don't know what the specifics are yet. We do applaud the ruling for the Supreme Court. The most important principle that came out of that is that they said that you can't go venue shopping for this. They're going to return that back to the court in Texas where it belonged, and I think that's a very important step. The reason that we're passing the No Rogue Rulings Act this week is because we're concerned about this, what really is a constitutional crisis. And you've heard the stats, but I think it's 62% or 64% of all the injunctions, national injunctions that are issued against a president or against Donald J. Trump over the last several decades, and 90% of those or something were issued by judges that were appointed to the federal bench by Democrat presidents. I mean, it just looks on its face to be a serious issue, and Congress has to address it. And so Congressman Darrell Iss's bill is a really good measure to take some control in that area, and we're looking forward to that development.